There's something about driving into Santa Fe at dusk. The sky stretching wide over the mountains, the colors changing with every mile that already starts to slow you down. We were on our way to Ojo Santa Fe, and I didn't know just how much I needed this. Our room felt warm and welcoming from the moment we walked in, simple and serene. They even surprised me with champagne and chocolates for my birthday, which meant a lot. It was such a kind gesture. Ojo is tucked away just outside of the city, but it feels like a world apart, peaceful, quiet, grounded. As we arrived, the light was golden and everything felt intentional. There are winding trails all over the property and little signs guiding you to each soaking area. The Sage's pool quickly became our favorite, partly because it was so close to our room, but mostly because of how peaceful it felt. The mineral-rich water comes from natural hot springs, and even in the chill of early spring, the rising steam made everything feel warm and alive. As the sun sets, the entire space transforms. Hammocks swing gently by the fire, the pools glow under soft lights, and everything just quiets. There's a range of temperatures in different pools, even a cooler one for those who prefer it, and many overlook the water and a small wooden bridge. You really can just be. Walking the trails at night felt like moving through a dream, tiny lights guiding you from one peaceful space to the next. Ojo offers a full spa too, with massages, a sauna, and a float tank experience that's always booked. Even after checkout, you're welcome to stay and soak the rest of the day. They provide robes, locker rooms, and showers. We also rented a private soaking room for an hour. Ours was a stone tub filled with hot spring water, but I've heard others include fireplaces and more. It's a beautiful option for a little extra stillness. This was the perfect birthday weekend, calm, beautiful, and full of little moments that felt like medicine. One of my favorite spots was the big wooden deck overlooking the pond. We sat there in rocking chairs, watching the water and the wind move through the trees. It was one of those rare, quiet moments you want to bottle up and carry with you. If you're curious about places like this, peaceful getaways, and soulful adventures, I'd love for you to follow along. You can find more on my TikTok and Instagram, and subscribe here for more travel remedies to come.